Summer heat is destroying your face with acne. I spent thousands of money on a dozen products, but it turns out this one combo is all you need. Stop layering products on an angry face. This one blend stopped my breakouts fast. I'm Mazzy, your beauty bestie. My face was an oily, clogged up mess because of the summer humidity, and I thought the breakouts would never end. Then I found this insane combo: illuminating face cleanser, clear pimple, and face treatment powder. This is the ultimate acne killing combo. This isn't just a combo, it's a 3-stage attack on your acne. It unclogs your pores, obliterates shine, and destroys bacteria. And the craziest part? The routine is so simple. I use a tiny pea-sized amount in the morning and another one at night. That's it. I saw fewer bumps in a week. By week 4, my skin was smooth. Just remember, always wear sunscreen and stick to a pea-sized amount. This one cream literally solves everything. If this video helps you, I challenge you to smash that subscribe button.